Hi all. Hi all. Now I will show you the pipe symbol, the redirector. Okay, so it's just redirecting the output of one command to as a input as other command. Okay, like we use cat text file is there. If I use pipe symbol, you can see in your keyboard above the enter key is pipe symbol is there. You have to use with shift. The picture is below. Okay, so cat test pipe wc-l. So what's happening here? Cat is reading the text file as it do. This pipe symbol is taking the output of cat command and giving input to that wc-l. So what we are getting 13. Okay, they are 13. You can directly do this wc-l test. That's also possible. It will give you the same output. But what I am trying to show, this pipe symbol is taking output of this command as input for this command. Okay, so it's redirecting the output of this command as input for this command. So this will help you in many manners. See ls-l. So you will able to see some are the files, some are the directory. If you find out how many directories are there in this, so it like you have to count 1, 2, 3 and 4 this thing. So a part of this, what you can do, ls-l pipe grep. So starting with caret symbol d. Okay, so you will get list of the directory. If you want to count wc-l with this, 8 directories are there. So simply you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like in this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 directories. If you want to count the lines, how many files are there? So start with 4. Only 4 files are there. If you want the name of that, just remove this. You will get the name of those files. So what is like what we did here? ls-l list all the things, files and directory, and this output files and directory goes to this as input. So grep command just fetch the information which are having the file like here. Okay, so now we are having the list of files only. A part of that, the 4 count is here, so it gets input for wc-l. So wc-l will count the lines 1, 2, 3, 4 and give the output to a 4. So it join 2 command. We can join 2 command using pipe symbol. It's a simple redirector we use in many manners in day-to-day activities. Like we will do cat test pipe grep Amit or root. Root is not there in that. So first let me see the content of that test, what we can grab. Okay, it's having junk character, so we'll search for D. So this many times are D. Starting from D, caret symbol. Just if you want to count this, so I am putting all 3 commands together in a single line. See, so in this way you can join 2 or 3 commands together and make it work. Okay, so this is a pipe symbol help you to join these commands. Okay, so that's all for today. See you in the next session.